It might just get better from here. What is going on, everybody? Happy Friday, almost the weekend. We know because we've been talking about it in the last few days. This entire week has been crazy. What you're seeing right now on the screen is Bitcoin going to 30,000 because of fake news. And soon after, Bitcoin going to 30,000 because of real news. And this just happened since from the 16th all the way to the 20th or 19th. I want to hear, guys, how we are hanging on because great news for XRP, great news for Bitcoin ETFs, great news for regulation. We got some interesting news, right, from Elizabeth Warren trying to, hey, crypto is funding terrorism. Nonsense. But still, like, all the bad ones, all the bad news and the bad updates that we're seeing that are anti crypto, guys, we are defeating those every single day, and bulls are back. I was listening a little bit to George. He got his channel back, so we're really happy with that. The bulls are back. The whales are starting to give us some nice enjoyment. I don't know how fast it's gonna go to 40,000, 35,000, 50,000, but just know that this is the beginning of XRP revival. I'm pretty sure. And also for Bitcoin, we only need, guys, the Bitcoin ETF, all of them to get approved. That should give us 40,000 in one day easy. This was just XRP and all the hints, when it comes to the updated BlackRock submission and the other one, right, that they're trying to change from one to a spot Bitcoin ETF. So I like it. This is exactly what we want. All Ripple is fooled with the dismiss case. Fear looks something like this: neutral, nothing bullish, nothing greed, which it allows an opportunity. Follow the following. Don't miss this, guys, because we're talking that back in 2021, right here, this was March. Let's find October because it's right here. There it is. This is everyone. That is exactly what 2 years ago, right? 2023, 2021. That is exactly 2 years ago. The price of Bitcoin was roughly $65,000 for one Bitcoin. We've been waiting so long. Really, realistically, that is a 4 year cycle, meaning that we are about to start coming up to the accumulate. It's been a while since we haven't seen the basically a fire sale because I remember it. This was at the end of 2022 when the price was $15,000, when it was blood on the streets, and most of us wanted it to be over, but it wasn't. So we've been waiting for a while now. We have paid our dues. We've been way patient, 100%. We have been now rewarded with a $30,000 Bitcoin and a little bit of an accumulate when it was a little bit more bullish. But now we are coming back. Yes, of course, it's a little more difficult to pump because of all the sell offs of all the traders, but it's going to come to a point that you just won't be able to stop it. Right now, for the accumulate, we have $33,000 to $43,000. Everyone, we could end the year at $43,000 according to the Bitcoin Rainbow chart, and that will be decent. So we can finally, because we end the year roughly around here, and then we have all of these pre-halving, and then 2024, and finally we have it halving Bitcoin, splitting the rewards, and now it's supposed to be jumping. As I'm looking forward, 2024 right here, roughly 1 year from now, maybe earlier. This is where we're supposed to see Bitcoin passing easy the $50,000 to $60,000. I mean, being in a way opening all scenarios for sell-offs, for pullbacks, bull traps, everything, right? Obviously, things can change and we can have an early bull market, but if we go back, we're looking at finally seeing the major rallies it could actually be like in 2021 that we waited till November to see some of the biggest rallies in Bitcoin. So it's going to be coming in close to about 2 years, 2+ years, and it's all starting as we're seeing it right now. Now, let's go to the week. Finally, we're coming back to this major consolidation in Bitcoin. We know that the Bitcoin dominance continues at 52 and growing. The last time the Bitcoin dominance was here was April 2021, which is insanely crazy, but just check this out. This is Bitcoin dominance the entire 2022 and 2023. This is insane. This was the last time Bitcoin dominance was so high, and it's incredible. Obviously, this was 2020 and at 70. Now, with more altcoins, it has dropped all the way to 40. But now, look at where it is. I mean, insane stuff. So, for Bitcoin, we need to break this 30,000 and hold it. We need to break the $31,000 we had and finally break free. So, we are in the right direction. I'm pretty excited where I'm seeing it. And we could be, let's go ahead and delete this one. We are approaching this price channel that we left off for this checkpoint. We actually went to a vacation on Bitcoin as the price went lower, consolidated, and now it's going higher. Just a pause that it took from August all the way to right now, October. September. I mean, it's been about 3 months since we haven't seen major stuff happen, right? But I'm bullish, guys. Now, when it comes to XRP, this is what's going on right now, holders. Not really close to where it was with the major decision. XRP is having a little bit of a trouble to break free too, but we just got to give it some time when it comes to the crypto altcoin market. And that's it. Cronos, steady. Shiba Inu, super steady. You know, it's all about Bitcoin. Not even Ethereum actually has done major things. It's all about Bitcoin right now. It's the one that everybody's looking at. It's the one that people are buying. And it's the one that is primed for a rally, as it shows us that it can finally pass that level that we have seen for such a long time, because it's been about to be over a year since we haven't been able to pass that $32,000, guys. Once that breaks, it's gonna be a much harder time for Bitcoin to drop lower, because just analyze this for a second. We did not have billions and trillions, worth of dollars from these companies trying to rush for a Bitcoin ETF. Now we have them, and they're all gonna be approved soon. We know that those lawsuits from the SEC are dropping as well when it comes to XRP. So it has come to a point when good news can just start coming from here. Inflation is not going to be tamed anytime soon. Wars are not going to be completed or ended or resolved anytime soon. Those are issues that I'm sure the market already is adding it to the price. It's already taken it into consideration. Imagine what's going to happen with all of those issues actually do go away. Much more better news for all of us. You've been updated, everybody. We're good. We're bullish. Looking around and hoping this is not going to be another Bart Simpson scenario where it pumps and it drops down. Because if that's the case, then, oh boy, that's going to be a big lesson. Because as of now, it looks really nice where we're heading. Chill. And let's see where the future holds. But like I've said, cheers, everybody. You have a great one. I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Peace.